A slow startup can make even a good computer feel frustrating. In this video, we will show you how to speed up Windows boot time. The biggest culprit is usually too many programs launching at startup. Open the Task Manager with Ctrl-Shift-Escape, click the Startup tab, and disable apps you do not need right away. This alone can dramatically cut your boot time. Next, make sure Fast Startup is enabled in your power settings, which helps Windows load quicker after shutdown. If you still use a mechanical hard drive, upgrading to a solid-state drive transforms boot speed more than any other change. Keep your system updated, since updates often improve startup performance. Free up disk space, because a nearly full drive slows everything, including booting. Run a malware scan, as hidden infections can drag down startup dramatically, and reduce visual boot animations if needed. Finally, avoid installing unnecessary background services. With these steps applied, your computer will go from power button to ready in a fraction of the time it took before.